Hey everyone, it's Matt with Optimized Owner, and as I'm standing here about to step away, wanted to sort of flip things a bit. Everyone focuses on what they want to start doing. My question is, what do you want to stop doing? And there are so many things that can be done that don't necessarily need to be done. So I would say, what do you want to stop doing? It could be something as simple as, I'm not going to clean my house, do the laundry. I'm not going to go to the grocery store, and I'm going to order grocery delivery. There are thousands of things that you can stop doing. The question is, what's the most valuable thing to stop doing? What creates the most impact? But there's so much more that is in your control than you ever thought that you could stop doing. And one of the founders of Airbnb, it's a story that's been told, I'm sure, many, many times, but it was a paint the picture of the 10-star experience. So what's a 10-star experience? Could be that if you arrive at a location, let's say you arrive in London, and the Airbnb 10, 12-star experience would be arrive in London, have John Lennon and the Beatles meet me in a private limo. They would then pick me up. We would go have fish and chips, cooked by Gordon Ramsey, and we're time traveling here. Then go, walk and go do a recording session with the Beatles. Go have people who know exactly what I want, and have all my luggage would be automatically transferred to the location. Everything would be totally seamless, top to bottom, and make an experience at a 5-star or 6-star hotel look like it is nothing in comparison. Now, it may be impossible to have that because we essentially cannot time travel and cannot bring people back to life who are no longer living, to my knowledge. But what we can do is, you can take care of the luggage piece, and maybe the answer is that we essentially ship something in advance. It could be that we end up eating at Gordon Ramsay's restaurant and essentially taking the things that are small and that may seem like they are undoable, impossible, and not essentially simple, but that is what can be done. So again, what is it that we should stop doing in order to leave space for the new things? And how do we essentially envision what that perfect experience and what that perfect thing would be, and realizing that a lot of it is much more achievable than you thought. So what are the things you're going to stop doing, and what are the things that you could get done for much less than you originally thought or originally had anticipated? Again, happy to help you. Matt at optimizedowner.com, and we love attacking stuff like this and taking things off of your to-do list. Have a great night.